Hello pen testers, ethical hackers, and Linux users, welcome to SwahiliElites. We are going to see how to install Anonsurf and kali-Linux. Use the link in the description to head to the GitHub repository and clone at your Linux machine. Copy the link and open the terminal and type the command to clone it. Type Anonsurf and see the tools info. Use Anonsurf start to start the service and stay anonymous. System is now under Anonsurf. Let's open the browser and check for DNS leak. The IP address is not the same from the place I'm in, so Anonsurf is working. Subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.